So I'm getting ready and I'm going to be using this month's IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for December. We're starting off strong. This is the Total Cleanser from Fenty Skin. I'm going to wash my face and I'll be right back. Skin is clean. Next up, I got this Precisely My brow pencil and we're going to be using it to fill in the brows. We're just going to do a subtle little fill. I've been really liking this little fluffy brow look. Super quick and easy. I love a good benefit brow. Hopping ship to the Glam Bag Plus really quickly to prep the face. I'm using this Kat Burki Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. I'm just applying it on the skin. This feels so hydrating and is so gentle on the skin. Back to the Glam Bag. I got 3 samples of the Tarte Face Tape Foundation in 3 different shades so we can test out which one best suits us, and when we're more tan, you know, we can switch around. I think I'm going to use the shade Light Sand. Okay, I actually ended up blending shades, but let's see how it looks. Guys, this completely covered that huge pimple that I had earlier, so I'm impressed. For complexion, I'm super excited about this. I got this Alley Oop Sunkissed stack in my Glam Bag Plus, and it's like a little stack, and it has a bronzer, a blush, and a cream highlighter, so we're going to be using all 3 of these. I love this. This is something I can keep in my purse and just take around with me. Okay, I got some of this bronzer and I'm just going to apply it. This is a really pretty contour bronze shade. Okay, bronzer's on. I'm definitely feeling sun-kissed and I love this shade. We're gonna move on to the blush. This is such a beautiful color. Okay, we're applying the blush. This blends like a dream, and I mean, it definitely looks really sun-kissed, and I love it. Okay, last part of the stack is this highlighter shade. We're gonna put it over top, just for a really subtle glow. I'm a fan of the stack. I don't know, I'm definitely gonna continue using this like every day now. Next up, we have this Ciate London, the Velvet palette, and oh my goodness, look at these shades. I think I'm gonna go in with this on the lid and this on my crease. Okay, let's swipe this on the lid. Look how beautiful that color is. Next up in the Glam Bag, we have the Milk Makeup Rise Mascara. Lashes are on, and last thing in the Glam Bag is this Luna Magic Besitos Lip Liner. That pigment took me back for a second. And I'm finishing off the lips with this Kinship Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask that was in my Glam Bag Plus. The last thing in my Glam Bag Plus was this Soleil Protector Spray that I used before I did my blowout, and look at how shiny my hair is. You guys, this is it. I'm obsessed with everything. I love this look. Be sure to check out the IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. You get 5 deluxe samples for $13 and 5 full size for $28. You don't want to miss out.